Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited to talk about one of the new things I'm going to put in my garage. I want to be very well organized in our new house and we can't get in yet. So I want to show you this early because it's something I got early. This is the DEWENWILS 50-foot retractable cord reel. So what I like about this is I really hate wrapping up cords when I'm done with projects. And so you guys know that I do a lot of projects, woodworking projects, vacuuming out cars, showing you guys all kinds of do-it-yourself stuff. And I always have to wrap up and reel up those cords and I hate it. And then they come undone and then I have to untangle them and that sort of thing. And it's kind of a nightmare to start projects because of cords. Getting stuff out already is a project on its own. So this is gonna save me from that. So this is a 50-foot cord reel and it's retractable. It's tangle free, so I don't have to really worry about it. Okay, so you're gonna take out as much cord as you need and it'll stop where you want it to, right? And so then when you're done with your projects and anything else, you give it a slight tug and it retracts on its own up to the stop ball that's there, right? And it has 3 outlets on it, which is great for if you're doing projects, woodworking, things like that. Sometimes I have a table saw plugged in, I have a chop saw plugged in, I have a vacuum to clean things up. It has that. It's well lit. It's got a circuit breaker built into it, which is really nice. This cord, which is your lead cord, is like 4.5 feet. So if you can't really, mount it right next to an outlet, you can get it close enough, right? And so when you mount it there, it's really kind of a nice thing where you can just mount it there. It's plugged in all the time. This is one of the best features yet. It is a 180-degree swivel. So when you mount it to a wall and you want it to just get out of the way, you can lay it flat up against the wall like this. And it'll be kind of flat up against your wall and it's out of the way and your cord is just kind of there and ready for you for the next project. It also comes, of course, with something would be mounted and you're going to want to mount that to 2x4 or something hard. It comes with all the mounting brackets, so if you have to mount it into drywall, you can. But you're going to mount it just like that and then this thing slides right on top of it. There you go. And this would be mounted to your wall and you have the 180-degree swivel and it has that. You can mount this to a ceiling or to a wall. Some people would want to mount it like this, right? You could do that if you wanted to. As long as you had a plug above you, you could do that and mount it right to your ceiling and you wouldn't have to worry about your swivel or whatever. The other nice thing is this cord is resistant to oils, acids, cleaning things. So if you have a really dirty garage, you don't have to worry about this disintegrating or deteriorating, that sort of thing, because it's resistant to that. So it has that capability as well. And you can get this in multiple lengths. So if you say 50 is not going to work for me, Lee, I need a 70-foot cord. It has multiple lengths to it. So DEWENWILS sent me this. They have a lot of options for different cords, hoses, things like that. They know I'm going to get well organized for the new house, and so they sent me this, so they know I'm going to have a lot of projects coming up that I'm going to show all of you. Okay guys, so that's it. This is the retractable cord reel from DEWENWILS. We'll put a link in the description below. This runs about $70. It's on sale right now, but I'm sure it goes on and off sale, so check it out. It's just below $70 and you can get it in multiple lengths, and we'll show you the other things that we're going to get from DEWENWILS. Subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up. Super thanks is always welcome. And if you have other things that help you get organized in your garage and in your projects to make it easier for you to just spin it up and work for a few hours and tear it all down, let us know.